A well-functioning, visually appealing door plays a vital role in any home. In Clinton Township, where seasons bring everything from sweltering summers to icy winters, your doors must be up to the task, keeping your home comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. But like all things in a home, doors don't last forever. If you're wondering whether your front, back, or patio doors need replacing, here are the telltale signs to watch for. Drafts and poor insulation. If you feel a noticeable draft coming through your door even when it's shut, it's a major red flag. In Clinton Township's variable climate, this not only makes your home uncomfortable but also spikes your energy bills. Older doors often lack proper insulation or have warped frames that allow air to leak in and out. Replacing them with modern, energy-efficient doors can significantly improve temperature control and cut costs over time. Visible damage or decay. Wooden doors are especially prone to warping, cracking, or rotting over time due to moisture exposure. If you see splintered wood, bubbling paint, rusted hinges, or visible rot, it's time for a replacement. Even metal and fiberglass doors can show wear and tear that compromises structural integrity. A compromised door is not only unattractive, it's also a security risk. Difficulty opening or closing. Is your door sticking, jamming, or scraping against the floor or frame? These issues may signal a warped structure or foundation shifts, which are common in older Clinton Township homes. Weather and moisture can swell or shrink door materials, leading to misalignment. A new door installation can restore smooth operation and eliminate daily frustrations. Increased noise from outside. If you can hear every car, dog bark, or neighbor's conversation, your door might not be soundproof enough. Modern replacement doors often come with noise-reducing cores and tighter seals that block out unwanted sounds. This is especially useful if you live near busy roads or schools in Clinton Township. Outdated appearance. Even if a door is still functional, an outdated style can drag down your home's curb appeal. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice. It sets the tone for your entire property. A stylish, modern door can give your home a fresh look and even increase resale value. With so many custom options available, you can match your replacement to your home's architectural style while improving performance. Signs of pest infestation. Tiny holes, chewed edges, or insect trails around your door frame suggest an unwelcome infestation. Termites and other pests love to burrow into wood, and once they settle in, your door's integrity is compromised. Replacing your door with a pest-resistant material like steel or fiberglass can eliminate the problem and protect your home from future infestations. Moisture between glass panes. Many entry and patio doors feature decorative or functional glass inserts. If you notice condensation, fogging, or visible moisture between panes, that means the seal is broken. Once compromised, the glass loses its insulation value and becomes susceptible to mold and mildew. Replacing the door is often more cost-effective than trying to repair fogged glass. Why Clinton Township homeowners should act quickly. Michigan's unpredictable weather makes it essential to have well-insulated, weather-tight doors year-round. Delaying replacement can lead to higher energy bills, lower security, and decreased home value. Whether you're dealing with a warped frame or an outdated look, replacing your door isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in comfort, safety, and aesthetics. Final thoughts. If your door is showing any of these signs, don't ignore them. Replacing a door in Clinton Township can dramatically improve your home's efficiency, security, and curb appeal. With a wide range of modern materials and styles available, finding the perfect fit for your home and lifestyle has never been easier. Your door isn't just an entryway, it's your first line of defense and a major part of your home's personality. Make sure it's up to the task.